In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reel covers using Canva. Whether you're looking to amplify your social media presence, create a cohesive look for your video content, or just want to hone your design skills, creating an eye-catching reel cover can make all the difference. Let's walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Canva dashboard. Once you've opened Canva, direct your attention to the search bar, the tool that makes finding the perfect template a breeze. This search bar is your gateway to countless design options, so click on it to initiate your search. Next, you're going to type in Reel Cover into the search bar. By doing this, you're instructing Canva to display all available templates specifically designed for reel covers. These templates come in various styles and layouts, ensuring that you'll find something that aligns perfectly with the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've entered your search term and the options appear before you, take some time to browse through the array of templates. Allow yourself to consider the different colors, fonts, and overall themes each template offers. When you find one that captures your vision or sparks inspiration, go ahead and click on it. This will open the selected template and give you a closer look at its features, as well as the option to begin your customization journey. After selecting your template, you must click on the Customize This Template button. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the editing interface where all the creative magic happens. Now, the template is ready for you to personalize, transforming it from a standard design into a unique piece that represents your brand or message. With the template open and ready for editing, it's time to infuse your personality into the cover. Start by replacing the existing text with your messaging. Think about the tone and message you want to convey and how that will resonate with your audience. Change the fonts, colors, and sizes until they reflect your style or brand identity. Similarly, you'll want to update the media,